Steel is the backbone for an economy. Since ages, it has been the vitally important ingredient for the country's economy and infrastructure. It takes expertise of the highest class in consistently producing and processing steel in various forms. It takes the company with the backbone and determination made of steel. Goodluck Group, with a turnover of 200 million US dollars and a CAGR of 25%, is a reputed brand name with a wide portfolio that strengthens the backbone of several developing economies globally. Each company within the Goodluck Group is powered by a state-of-the-art manufacturing infrastructure that facilitates it to deliver best quality products. Incorporated in the year 1986, Goodluck Steel Tubes went on to commission its first plant in 1987 and the CR plant in 2000. This followed with the first structural unit in 2005, forging unit in 2006 and CW unit in 2007. Adding to the infrastructure, the second CDW unit came up in 2014 and the structural unit in 2016. Goodluck Steel Tubes excels at making precision tubes, ERW tubes, hollow sections, coils and fabricated structures. Goodluck Industries is a trusted supplier of ERW precision tubes and DOM CDW precision tubes. The engineering division is a world-class forging and machining company that makes closed and open die steel forgings of customized engineering components in a variety of steel grades. A singular focus towards achieving the highest quality has given Goodluck and its stakeholders great success. Its products are exported to the farthest corners of the world. It has acquired market leadership in every sector it is active in by employing thousands of people who imbibe its culture. It has paid dividends to its shareholders year on year for the last 15 years. A key contributor to its success is the manufacturing base. It has invested a sizable capex in making its manufacturing ability scalable and automated. These units are located in the northern part of India, in close proximity to India's largest automobile hub. Steel Tubes. The Steel Tubes division's product portfolio is diverse. The three key product focus areas are tubes and sections, coils and sheets, and custom fabrication. It makes tubes in black as well as galvanized finished. These are used for structural scaffoldings in oil and gas pipelines and plants, for making idlers and conveyor belts, for water well piping and plumbing applications. These pipes conform to ASTM and DIN standards and can be made to order as per customer specifications. The galvanized steel round tubes are reputed for their quality and dimensional accuracy and made with the finest combination of manpower and machinery. The hollow sections come in square and rectangular profiles and mainly used by fabricators to build structures. These come in a variety of exterior finish options. The hollow sections have high strength for versatile applications and meticulously tested on various quality parameters. The GPGC corrugated sheets come in a bright finish and come in a variety of dimension and thickness options. The structural division is an extension of the value chain offered to customers. The company makes components from steel that meets the infra needs of several industries. These applications are wide and diverse, ranging from ESP components, filtration systems, ducting, boilers and infrastructure components used by railways and other infrastructure projects critical to the country. Not only that, it also makes key components for the energy sector. These cover power transmission lattice structures, solar module mounting structures, trackers and complete turnkey solutions. The CR and CRCA sheets and coils are processed from hot rolled coils and processed to perfection on highly automated CRCA annealing furnace. The USP lies in offering a high degree of flexibility in material specifications and finish options. Goodluck Steel Tubes with these three verticals is a versatile company with a diverse product portfolio that meets the infrastructural demands with precision and consistency. Good Luck Industries makes precision ERW and CDW precision tubes and sections and is a key supplier to the automotive and engineering sector globally. To maintain the highest quality, the sourcing of raw material is done very selectively. An automobile is made of several components assembled together with precise engineering. Good Luck's precision tubes are used for an array of parts that form the core structure of any four-wheeler. For bikes, Good Luck supplies material that constitute a majority part of the mainframe, right from suspension struts to exhaust tubing. Besides automotive, it is also used for boiler and heating applications, as well as general engineering applications. These products are made at an integrated production facility with the best machinery and equipment installed. It has fully automated tube mills using electrically resistant welding or ERW for production. The square and rectangular tubes are made as per Indian and international standards. The products undergo a slew of quality tests at every stage of production. Good Luck Industries is a trusted supplier to several automotive and engineering organizations. The engineering divisions makes customized forgings, flanges and machine components in open and closed-eye forging facility for a variety of demanding applications that require precision and excellent forged products. The key factors of the global acceptance of the engineering division are its mastery over the forging process, the heat treatment process and the precise machining and tooling know-how. The machining shop relies on precise CNC machining tools that work on a variety of axes to give precise machining on every component. Production is carried on in a wide range of material grades. The material grades cover various types of steel, starting from alloy steel right up to exotic alloys and special grades. The customized forgings and components cater to diversified industries. It covers oil and gas, the energy sector covering nuclear, thermal and coal plants, chemical industry, dairy industry, automotive and railway sector, the critical machine components for machines. The forgings and flange range is wide and diverse and is offered in various pressure classes with a diameter of up to 2 meters and a single piece forged up to 5.5 tons per piece. These conform to various international standards and are backed as per country specific requirements. The workshop is equipped with high capacity tonnage hammers that can mold any part with exacting proportions. Every product goes through a series of tests before they are shipped out, leading to higher customer satisfaction. The company has been approved and certified by quality standards and end customers the world over. Good Luck Engineering, where forgings and precision machining work in perfect harmony. So why should you partner with Good Luck? Here are a few compelling reasons. The company is founded on ethics that are unflinching. It has the best standards of corporate governance and accounting standards. It does more than have a quality policy. It has made quality the de facto language of the company. The company believes in empowering and rewarding its people. It has a strong supply chain management system to deliver products in any part of the world. Its processes are audited and have passed approvals and certifications from quality boards and companies around the world. Today, it is considered as a benchmark for other companies the world over. The contribution of the company is recognized by the Government of India and is a recipient of many awards for its excellence in various business spheres. Good Luck believes in giving back to the society. Its CSR activities have helped the needy section of the society and has uplifted their quality of existence. Clients prefer working with Good Luck all over the world because they know that it will never compromise on quality. It is this confidence that is the engine of growth for this company for the past 3 decades. Good Luck, where dedication and talent meet.